Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hannan. Today I am going to teach you the how to make the BCD to access 3 implementation using mux on Proteus. Here you see the circuit of BCD to access 3 implementation using mux. I am using the 4 outputs A, B, C and D and 4 outputs W, X, Y, Z. One mux is used to get the only one output. Here are the two logic toggles for permanent high and permanent low with 1 and 0. First of all, we have to see the truth table of this circuit. Here it is the truth table of BCD to access 3 implementation. Here are the 4 inputs A, B, C and D and 4 outputs W, X, Y, Z. BCD to access 3 means that whatever I am going to apply on the input, I am getting the output with addition of 3 in the input. Means when I am going to apply the input 0 0 0 means I am applying 0, so I am getting the output 0 0 1 1 means at the output I am getting 3. So when I am applying the input 1, I am getting output 4. So now you understand what is BCD to access 3 implementation. After that, I am after the understanding of the truth table, now I am going to relate the output with any one of the input to simplify my circuit. Here I relate the outputs with the input D. Here you see the output Z 1010. Output Z is the complemented of input D. So to obtain the output Z, I only use the complement form of input D. Similarly, I relate the output Y with input D, and after all this simplification, I made the I made these equations for our output. Here output Z is the complement of D bar and the output Y is D bar D D bar D D bar, and similarly for X and W. Now I am going to make the circuit of BCD to access 3 by using these simplifications. I am showing you the 8 cross 1 mux IC number 74151. Here you see I am going to use the 5 inputs for one output, so I use the 5 input terminals from these 8 put to obtain the output. These are the output terminals, and here you see A, B and C. It means that in this IC, C is to be connected with the most significant input, B with the least significant from that, and A with the smallest significant input. So I am using this IC in my circuit. Now I am going to show you how I am making circuit. Now let's start making the circuit. Now our circuit is ready. Now I am going to run my circuit. Here you see when I am applying the input 0011, which means I am applying the input 3, so I am getting the output 0110, which means I am getting 6 at the output. So when I am changing the inputs, now I am applying the 000, so I am getting the 0011, which means 3 at the output. When I apply 1 in the input, I am getting the 0100, means 4 at the output. Similarly, you see when I am changing the inputs, I am getting the output with 3 of excess. So my BCD to access 3 with mux is circuit is ready. I have shown you all the simulation of my circuit. So that's enough for today lab. Khuda Hafiz.